On Friday, 18th February 2022, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, CONRAD SANGMA, had inspected 6 localities in Shillong that include MOHENDRO, Mission Compound, LANSONA Lane, JAIAW LAITDOM, Sunny Hills, LAMA Villa and DYMMIEW. He was accompanied by West Shillong MLA MOHENDRO RAPSANG, North Shillong MLA ADELBERT NONGRUM, Deputy Commissioner of East KHASI Hills ISAWANDA LALOO, headmen and DORBAR SHNONG members of those 6 localities and residents besides others. CONRAD SANGMA expressed his satisfaction at the success of the Shillong Beautification project in various parts of the city. He thanked the members of the DORBAR SHNONG for their participation and readiness to work with the state government in the beautification project. He informed that the paintings and murals by artists deserve recognition and therefore an award for the best artist will be constituted to encourage them to better display their talent in the future.
So our purpose of visiting the localities was to review the beautification project that we had started in Shillong, JAIAW and in Tura, and I'm very happy to see that there has been a very positive response from all the localities, and this project has gone beyond just simple beautification. It is really a project of integration, I should say, where the localities, the Dorbars, the youth, the women's group and the government have worked together for the first time to do a positive thing for our city. And therefore I take this opportunity to thank each and every Dorbar and all the Rangba Shnongs and the leaders who have really participated and made this program a success. And we want to assure everybody that we will continue to have this program in the future also and find ways and means on how the localities, the community and the government can work together for the betterment of society and our towns, our cities and the state. As you can see, the different artists have come out and shown their talent during this beautification program. So the competition is also there among the localities. So we will have the best locality prize. But apart from that, we've also realized that there are many artists who have done really well. So we have decided that we will also have a best artist competition also, and we will choose among the different the paintings and drawings that have been done to decide on who will be the best artist. So yes, this has also been a great experience and a great way of allowing the talent of our youth also to be shown to the city and to the people in general.